Just hold.
Mataji, you are recording it.
Yes, because some kids, they are not able to attend and then they are behind me that to share the recording, and many times I forget to record and then they ask me kya hua, then I say are theek hai, I will start recording. Okay, so let us start.
Mataji.
Yeah,
Mataji, I know who is Vidura.
you know, very nice. Good.
Mataji, even I know who's Vidura.
Very good. So let us start. Whoever wants to do chanting, they can unmute and they can chant together in a rhythm.
Mataji, can I?
Mataji, I
Yes,
want to
yes.
chant.
Yes. Whoever wants to chant can chant. Nityansh, you can count 11.
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah, and you
Mataji,
can
I'll
unmute.
tell
And,
it's 11 done.
yeah. Okay, so we will start with Guru Pranam Mantra. I will put the cursor here so that you know which line we are reading. Okay. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Gnananjanashalaakaya Chakshurunmelitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupah Kadamayyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagar Jatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padana Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamsha Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyat Deshatarine Vanchakalpatarubhasya Kripa Sindhubhaeva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhano Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna.
Okay, chal. So let us start our chanting. Yeah, come on. Whoever wants to chant, you can unmute and chant and you can count. Okay. Come on, start. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna. Come on, loudly, everyone.
Hare Rama,
Rama
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare
Hare Rama,
Rama,
Rama Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
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 Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama Rama,
Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama, Hare
Rama,
Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Mataji, 11 done.
Okay, thank you everyone for chanting so nicely. Now we will have a very nice. So now we will have a small kirtan. Yeah. So this kirtan is about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay. So we will have a nice kirtan about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yeah. Sundar Bala Sachi Dulala नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में सुंदर बाला सची दुलाला नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में भाले चंदन तिलक मनोहर अलका शोभे कपुलन में सुंदर बाला सची दुलाला नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में शीरे चूड़ादर श्री बाले मन फूल माला ही अपर डोले शीरे चूड़ादर श्री बाले मन फूल माला ही अपर डोले परिहन पीत पीतांबर शोभे नुपुर रुणु जुणु चरणों में परिहन पीत पीतांबर शोभे नुपुर रुणु जुणु चरणों में सुंदर बाला सची दुलाला नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में राधा कृष्णा एक तनु है निधुवन माझे बंशी बजाए राधा कृष्णा एक तनु है निधुवन माझे बंशी बजाए विश्व रूप की प्रभु जी सही आओ प्रकट तहि नदिया में विश्व रूप की प्रभु जी सही आओ प्रकट तहि नदिया में सुंदर बाला सची दुलारा नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में कोई गायत है राधा कृष्ण नाम कोई गायत है हरि गुणगान कोई गायत है राधा कृष्ण नाम कोई गायत है हरि गुणगान मंगल तान मृदुंग रसाला बजत है कोई रंगन में मंगल तान मृदंग रसाला बजत है कोई रंगन में सुंदर बाला सची दुलारा नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में सुंदर बाला सची दुलारा नाचत श्री हरि कीर्तन में हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामा राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा मैया की जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल ओके सो नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड अब ये श्लोका आप बोल रहे हैं बहुत सारे जनों ने लर्न ही नहीं किया है सो वी विल जस्ट टेक 2 श्लोकास ओके टुडे I have given you 4 shlokas. Yes, Abhinay, you have done, and I think Aditri, you have done.
Mataji, I
And
need to recite this shloka.
yeah, but I think today no we will all recite it together क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों को आता ही नहीं है. So we will all recite together. सारे okay, सारे बच्चों मेरे साथ मेरे बाद repeat करो. Okay, so you can unmute yourself and you can repeat after me. Okay, Swara, you can also unmute yourself.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Sarvayoni, you repeat after me, okay? Sarvayonishu Kaunteya.
Sarvayonishu Kaunteya.
Sarvayonishu Kaunteya.
Sarvayonishu Kaunteya.
Murtayaha Sambhavantiyaha.
Murtayaha Sambhavantiyaha.
Murtayaha Sambhavantiyaha.
Murtayaha Sambhavantiyaha.
Repeat after me, okay? Tasam Brahma Mahad Yonir.
Tasam Brahma Mahadyoni.
Tasam Brahma Mahad Yonir.
Tasam Brahma Mahadyoni.
Aham Bija Pradapita.
Aham Bija Pradama.
Aham Bija Pradapita. Okay, repeat after me, okay?
Excuse me, Mataji.
Yeah,
Mataji, there's no aham in the Hindi one.
it is there. So if you see, 1 second, I will show you. So in the English, no, so Sanskrit, when it is written, so it is to be divided. So the same word is to be divided. Mahad Yonir, Yonir Aham Bija Pradapita. So in Sanskrit, it is not like our Hindi wherein your words are same. So when it is converted to English, no, for us to recite, that English is divided into those words. Okay.
Yes,
So
Mataji.
what is Krishna saying here is that I am the seed giving father of all the living entities. Okay, so all the living entities, trees, all of us, all the animals have come out from me. Okay, next, only 2 shlokas we will do today. Now you are comfortable with the words, so you please learn at least these 2 shlokas. Sukesh, repeat after me, okay, beta? Yeah. Maya adhyakshena prakriti.
Maya
adhyakshena prakriti. Suyate sacharacharam. Suyate sacharacharam. Hetunanena kaunteya. Hetunanena kaunteya. Jagat vipari vartate. Yes, so what is Krishna saying is entire Prakriti, the entire material nature, all the sun, moon, all the demigods, all of us, trees, rains, wind, everything is working under my control. Okay, that is what Maya Adhyakshena Prakriti. Adhyaksha means under my supervision. Okay, that is what Krishna is saying. Everything is working under my supervision and under my energy. Right? And because it is working under Krishna's supervision, ऐसा नहीं है कि sun planet जाके Mars को धड़कता है, कभी Saturn जाके Uranus को धड़कता है. No, everyone is working in the proper synchronization. Right? So that is what Krishna is saying. Now, anyone wants to repeat the shlokas? We have 2 minutes to repeat the shlokas. Okay, 14.4. Who wants to say?
Anushri.
Okay, Anushri, say.
Sarvayonishu Kaunteya. Murtaya Sambhavantiya. Rashtam Brahma Mahadyonir. Aham Bija Pradapita.
Very nice. One more.
Teacher Sukesh.
Yeah, Sukesh, say.
सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय
मूर्तयः
मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति यः तंसा
ब्रह्मा
मध्येयो
महद्योनिर्
महोद्योनिर्
अहम
अहम बीज प्रदाः
पिता.
पितामह.
Very nice, very good.
माताजी क्या ना?
Yes, you can say 9.10.
Okay, माताजी.
And then Akshara, you can say 9.10.
Yes, माताजी. माताजी, can I
Mataji,
start?
Yes, yes. Amolika, you can say after Akshara. Okay, beta? And then Abhinay.
मयध्याक्षेण प्रकृतः सूयते सचरचरम् हेतुनेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवारतते
हेतु नानेन कौन्तेय जगद विपारी वर्तते.
जगद्विपारी वर्तते.
Yes, very good. Yes, Akshara.
Yes, Mataji. Maya adhyakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya jagadviparivartate.
Very nice. Yes, Amolika.
yes, Mataji. Madhya Ikshana Prakriti
Suyate
Racharanam Hetunanena Kaunteya Jagat Viparite.
very nice. Yes, Aditri. Very nice. Abhinay, you want to say 14.4?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, say.
सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति तसं ब्रह्मा महद्योनिर् अहं बीजप्रदः पिता.
Very nice. Swara, you want to say 14.4?
Miss, I will tell in translate.
Translation you want to read? Acha, 1 second. Swara, you want to say 14.4? After that, you can read the translation. Shubham, okay?
If
Yeah, Swara.
should be.
Swara, we can't hear you if you are speaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Yes. My speaker was up, that's why.
Okay, acha.
सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति तसं ब्रह्मा महद्योनिरहं बीजप्रदापिता.
Very nice. Shubham, you want to read the translation?
Yes.
Yeah, read it.
It should not be understood that all spices of life, ocean of Tutu are made possible by birth in this material nature and that I am the seed giving father.
Very nice, Shubham. Now you all can switch on your cameras. Let me see your lovely faces. Please switch on your cameras. Yes, very good. So you will sit attentively and I will know if you get distracted. Okay, so please don't switch off your cameras. Okay. Yeah, Yuvan.
Mataji, can I send this shloka in the WhatsApp? by
Yes,
recording?
yes. Send your shloka and WhatsApp and record. Yeah, Yuvan.
Can I chant?
You want to chant? Which one? This one?
Yes.
Okay, say.
Maya
Maya Adhyakshe.
Dhakshena Prakriti Suyatesa
Characharam.
Characharam Hetunanena Kaunteya Jagat Viparvite.
Very nice. Jagat Vipari Vartate. Very nice. अभिना आज मैंने 2 ही श्लोका लिया. वेरी गुड युवान. तो 2 श्लोक का तो recording आप सबको भेजना है.
Can I
Okay.
send it? Can I
माता जी,
send it?
Okay.
can you show the
Now we will have to move
question
ahead.
for-
नहीं तो हमारा story नहीं खत्म होगा. बहुत लंबी story है आज तो. Okay, it is a very long story today. Chalo. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about Vidura. Now somebody was saying that we do not know who is Vidura. So Vidura was a prime minister, or he was an advisor in the court of Dhritarashtra. Okay, Dhritarashtra, he was caretaker, so-called caretaker of the entire world actually, and he was placed in Hastinapur. So Vidura was an advisor of Dhritarashtra. He was advisor to the king. Now Vidura was very intelligent. Okay, he was extremely intelligent, and he was very just. मतलब वो हमेशा he will take side of the truth. Okay, so he will always be just to everyone. कभी भी he will not get deviated. He will not get deviated from his duty. And he was such a high morality. उसका character इतना high था. It was said that he was next to Krishna. Just imagine Krishna, and then next to Krishna, from an intellectual perspective, from a morality perspective, okay, he was considered next to Krishna. Then he was very outspoken. So he was not scared to speak the truth. He was very courageous. अगर गलत है तो गलत बोलने में उसको डर नहीं लगता था. गलत है तो गलत है. क्यों कोई मुझे क्या बोलेगा, मुझे किंग सजा तो नहीं दे देगा, मुझे धृतराष्ट्र मार तो नहीं डालेगा. He was not worried about all that. If it is wrong, he will say, yes, this is wrong, you should not do it. If it is right, he will say, this is right and you should follow this. That is how he was. And his Vidur Niti, like Chanakya Niti, it is very famous. Vidur Niti is also something which is also very famous and which is followed by, which is studied rather by many people. Okay, so now let us see the life history from his birth till the time he leaves his body. Let us see the entire journey of Vidura. Okay, chalo, let us move on. Now let us see birth of Vidura. Now you listen very carefully. There is going to be a quiz in the end, and you have to solve the quiz, and I expect everyone to get good marks there. Okay. So एक दिन क्या हुआ? There was one ऋषि का नाम था मांडव्य ऋषि. Okay, listen very carefully. There was one मांडव्य ऋषि who was sitting in his ashram. किसी को समझेगा नहीं तो hand raise करना. Okay, there was this मांडव्य ऋषि who was sitting in his ashram and meditating. Okay, he was deep into his meditation, and suddenly what happened is there was one group of thieves. Okay, these thieves, they enter into his ashram. And उन्होंने जो भी चुराया था ना, they hid it inside his ashram. Now Mandavya Rishi was deep in his meditation. He did not know that thieves and all that had come and they have hidden the treasure in his ashram and all. So they did not know. And these thieves were being followed by soldiers of this king. Okay, so the thieves were inside his ashram, and then the soldiers entered inside the Mandavya Rishi's ashram. Then the leader of the soldiers, he asked Mandavya Rishi, did you see any thieves here? Now Mandavya Rishi was in deep meditation. Okay, he did not realize that someone is asking him, so he did not reply. Okay, उन्होंने आंसर नहीं दिया, लेकिन ये वापस इन्होंने पूछा, आपने किसी चोर को देखा है? चोर उचक देखो यहाँ पे group of thieves have come here. Have you seen them? So Mandavya Rishi वापस वो अपने साधना में थे, तो उन्होंने कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं किया. तो इनको आया गुस्सा. ओके, किंग ऑफ जो सोल्जर्स का जो हेड था उसको आया गुस्सा. And then his other soldiers also entered the ashram, and then they found out, sir यहाँ पे देखो सारा treasure छुपा हुआ है. Sir come and see. Then this head of the soldiers thought, I think you are the leader of the thieves who is protecting these thieves and hiding the treasure here. Right? I think immediately arrest you and take you to the king. So then this head of the soldiers, he arrests Mandavya Rishi and he takes him to the king. And what he does is, then he is given a punishment. What punishment is given? That ये होता है ना, pierce, what you call spear होता है ना, जो it is very pointed and long.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and that is pierced in his body. Okay, from the bottom till his head. तो वो bottom से वो head तक ऐसे pierce करते, from the bottom and it comes out of the head. So that is though it was pierced in his body. So that was the punishment given to him. And he said that, you know, you will, so he was given a death sentence, but, you know, because he was in, now the sentence was not death sentence. The punishment was that this spear would be pierced into his body. So anyone, a normal person will die. Okay, but because he was Mandavya Rishi into his meditation, he did not die. And then all the news spread everywhere that Mandavya Rishi was, you know, caught by the king and he's being punished. So all the other rishis who were around, all the brahmanas, they came into the king's palace. कि ये क्या हो रहा है? Mandavya Rishi ऐसे कर नहीं सकते. Why are you punishing him? And then king came to his senses. Oh, मैंने ये क्या कर दिया? हे राम, अभी तो मेरे से बहुत बड़ी गलती हो गई. So then he goes to, then he goes to the, then the king goes to Mandavya Rishi and then he begs for forgiveness that, you know, I am very sorry that, you know, I should not have done this. I don't know why I did this. मेरी मति मारी गई थी कि मैंने इतनी बड़ी गलती कर दी. So he felt very, you know, he was very apologetic and he felt very sad that, you know, and bad also that, you know, he should not have done this. He should have realized कि ऐसे ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता है. So then
He felt
Mandavya Rishi,
guilty.
yeah, he felt very guilty. And so then Mandavya Rishi, he, said, that is fine that you have given me this punishment, but I want to know from Yamraj. Okay, now see what Mandavya Rishi is saying. Okay, hear very carefully. He is saying, I want to know from Yamraj कि मेरे साथ ऐसे क्यों हुआ? मैंने ऐसा क्या गलती किया था कि मुझे इतना सजा मिला? So then he says, king, it is not your fault. It is something to do with my karma that I did something wrong और जिसके कारण मुझे ये सजा मिला है. So then he asks Yamraj, you know, he approaches Yamraj and he tells Yamraj, I think, you know, this punishment that was given to me was not justified. मुझे शायद कुछ ज्यादा ही punishment दिया गया है. So then Yamraj says that, so Yamraj देखते हैं कि क्या हुआ है इसके life में. So Yamraj goes back into the history, okay, and Yamraj then finds out. Then he says, my dear Mandavya Rishi, when you were a small child, that time you had pierced a ant. Okay, चींटी होती है ना, उसको उसने pierce किया होता है. So then Mandavya Rishi says, my dear Yamraj, I was a small child, and when I was a small child, मुझे इतना तो intelligence था नहीं that, you know, कि that if I pierce an ant, that will be, you know, like a great sin, and uska punishment when I become big, you are giving me this punishment of, you know, piercing the spear through my body, मतलब death sentence. I mean, is it justified? I think you are, you know, this is not acceptable. आप मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा ही punishment दे रहे हो. So then Yamraj said that, you know, for every action there is a reaction, but you know, then Yamraj realizes his mistake. Now understand one thing, that Yamraj and Yamraj they are all demigods. Okay, they are intelligent, they are devotees of Krishna, but they are working on behalf of Krishna. Okay, so Yamraj is a post. Okay, so Yamraj is a post, and this post is handled by this Yamraj. So जैसे Indra is a post. Just one second. Just one second.
Mataji.
Yeah, just one second. Yeah. Yeah, Abhinay.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, the king gives the punishment to the Mandavya Rishi. That is the effect of the uncontrolled mind.
Yes, one second. Sorry. King gives, yes, absolutely. So he did not think, and he just came into an impulse and he gave the punishment. Absolutely. So फिर यमराज को पता चलता है. तो यमराज, so understand one thing, concept very clearly, that यमराज, इंद्रा, वायुदेव, ब्रह्मा, these are all post. जैसे गवर्नमेंट में पोस्ट होता है ना, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, टेलीकम्युनिकेशन मिनिस्टर, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर. आज कोई है तो कल कोई दूसरा होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज पोस्ट. ओके, सो यमराज ये वाली जो है वो पोस्ट है. तो आज एक कोई सोल वहां पे बहुत प्योर डिवोटी सोल होगा, और अगर कुछ अभी एनालिसिस होगा तभी कोई दूसरा आके बैठेगा वो पोस्ट पे. Now these are all devotees of Lord, and devotees can make mistake. So similarly, this was a mistake done by Yamraj. So then Yamraj accepted his mistake. Now when Yamraj accepted his mistake, this Mandava Rishi, he cursed Yamraj that you will be born as a Shudra son. Okay, on earth. So two things he says, that one is that you will take birth on earth and you will be born as a Shudra son. मतलब Shudra मतलब sorry.
Excuse me, Mataji, what is, you said the word before?
Shudra?
Yes.
Shudra is lower caste, like kings and all that, they're considered higher class. Then laborers, workers, you know, they help the king, they are considered lower class. Now we do not classify, we do not classify Shudra and all. Okay, so I am just telling you what is there in the Bhagavatam. Okay, so we are not going to get into Brahmana, Shudras, Kshatriyas.
It was told that Shudras are the one like where we can't even touch, and even if their shadows falls on us, then we have to take a bath.
But that is too much, you know. I mean, that we can park aside. That was too much, because in Bhagavatam, okay, it is the mentality that determines whether he is a Brahmana or Shudra. Caste does not determine whether he is a Brahmana or Shudra. A laborer who is Krishna conscious, who knows religion, who studies Bhagavatam, so laborer is also a Brahmana. So caste does not determine Shudra or a Brahmana. Okay, so Mandava Rishi curses him that you will become a Shudra, you will take a birth in the womb of a Shudra. So then, you know, Yamraj, अभी जो कर्ज मिला है तो करना पड़ेगा, तो यमराज को वो 100 years के लिए पोस्ट छोड़ना पड़ेगा. सो इन द टाइम बीइंग समवन एल्स हैज टू टेक द पोस्ट ना. अगर फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर बीमार पड़ गया है कोई ऑपरेशन वगैरह के लिए, तो ही कैन नॉट लीव ना फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, समबडी हैज टू बी टेम्पररीली डेप्यूटेड देयर. तो आर्यमा करके है. सो आर्यमा वाज गिवन द पोस्ट ऑफ यमराज फॉर अ टेम्पररी पीरियड. Okay, understand this very carefully, because this is a concept you will not learn anywhere unless you study. Okay, so this is a post. Yamraj is a post. So then Yamraj has to take a birth in a Shudra family. Okay, now let us move ahead. So, before, what happened? Why is this not moving? 1 second, just 1 second.
Yamraj.
1 second, 1 second. Sorry.
Who took the post of who took the place of Yamraj?
Aryama.
Okay, ma'am.
Aryama took the post of Yamraj. Now, who is Yamraj? Yamraj is the greatest. Yamraj का नाम सुनते हैं हमको कैसे डर लगता है ना, बाप रे ये तो हमको मार डालेगा. In the sense that, you know, Yamraj is always connected with death, right? But understand, when you all devotees are chanting the name of Krishna, so Yamraj loves Vaishnavas. He loves whoever chants the name of Krishna. Okay, so because why he likes that? Because Yamraj is the greatest devotee of Lord Krishna. Okay, so Yamraj, we need not be fearful of Yamraj. Yamraj is the greatest devotee of Lord Krishna. He is among the 12 Mahajanas. He is Dharmaraj. Okay, who is the Lord of Justice. न्याय देते ना, जज होता है ना, जज, वैसे यमराज जी क्या करते हैं, जजमेंट देते हैं कि जब भी हम when we leave our body, नेक्स्ट बॉडी अपने को कौन सा मिलेगा, चूहे का मिलेगा, कॉकरोच का मिलेगा, या अच्छे सेंटली पर्सन का मिलेगा, या हम लोग गोलोक में चले जाएंगे. गोलोक में चले जाएंगे तो यमराज लेने के लिए आते ही नहीं है. विष्णु दूतास कम, यमराज डजंट कम, बिकॉज यमराज इज फॉर मटेरियलिस्टिक पीपल. फॉर डिवोटीज, नाइस डिवोटीज लाइक यू हु चैंट द नेम ऑफ कृष्णा, उनके लिए यमराज खुद नहीं आते, खुद विष्णु दूता भेजते हैं. ओके, टू टेक अस. So what is 12 Mahajanas? 12 Mahajanas are those who are the greatest devotee of Lord Krishna. They know that Krishna is the supreme person, right? All the demigods, Indradev, Suryadev, Chandradev, Vayudev, they are all working under supervision of Krishna, right? And they know Bhagavad Dharma, and they know what is the Dharma. Their Dharma is to surrender to Krishna and to love Krishna. Okay, love is very important for Krishna. Krishna को भोग भी चढ़ाओगे ना, ऐसे नहीं कि सामने दे दो. No, it has to be with lots of love. Okay, so it is very, very important. This love for Krishna is very important. Okay, so this is Yamraj. So now you know you do not have to be scared of Yamraj. You are all nice devotees of Krishna. So because you're chanting, don't leave chanting. If you leave chanting, तो फिर then there is no guarantee. वो कहते हैं ना, कोई अगर हम कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स भी खरीदते हैं तो they gives you do's and don'ts, right? If you do don'ts, then the warranty is not there. You know ना, अगर आपने what to say, अगर उसने बोला है कि आपको इसमें पानी नहीं गिराना है, नहीं तो इसका पॉलिश चला जाएगा, आपने पानी गिराया, साबुन भी लगाया तो पॉलिश चला गया, तो उसका वारंटी गया. Same thing, you have to chant the name of Krishna, then you are devotee. No chanting, no devotee, then blessings of Yamaraj will be there. Okay, chalo, but you did not fear. Okay, so now let us move ahead. Birth of Dhritarashtra, Pandu and Vidura. Now in Mahabharata, so we are going to see the story of Mahabharata also briefly. It's a long story, so you will have to be bear with me for some time. Okay, so क्या होता है कि Maharaj Shantanu, who was ruling the entire world, okay, and he has his wife Ganga Devi. So Ganga Devi और Maharaj Shantanu को एक लड़का था Bhishma, and Bhishma was not married. And Bhishma had decided that he will not marry also, so he will not have any children. And then Maharaj Shantanu actually marries Satyavati, and because Satyavati says that, you know, my child should be the king, that is when Bhishma gives the promise to Maharaj Shantanu and Satyavati that I will not marry. Thoda complicated hoga, but you know.
Mataji, can I tell?
No, you don't tell. Let me tell. So. If I miss anything, then you can tell by raising your hand. Okay, so then what happens is Shantanu marries Satyavati, and then he has two children, Chitrangat and Vichitravirya. Okay, but somehow due to some bad providence, dono mar jate hain. Okay, so Chitrangat dies, you know, in a battle. So Chitrangat doesn't have any children, and Vichitravirya also he has two wives. Ambika and Ambalika. Okay, listen very carefully. Vichitravirya has two wives, Ambika and Ambalika, and Vichitravirya also dies. Now, Ambika and now, अगर सभी लोग मर गए, सारे kings मर गए, तो आगे who will run the show? Who will be the king? Because Vichitravirya is also not there. Bhishma is also not going to marry. Bhishma is not going to have children. So who will be the king after Bhishma? That was a big concern for everyone. Then Satyavati discussed this with Bhishma, and then they decided that they will call Vedvyas. Okay, Vedvyas was a very great saint, and then they decided that with mercy of Vedvyas, they will have children for Ambika and Ambalika. Okay, so then they decide that, you know, then they call Vedvyas, and Vedvyas comes. Abhi Vedvyas na, because he was doing lot of austerity, उनका बहुत जटाएं बढ़ गई थी. He was looking unclean. He was, और उसकी दाढ़ी भी बढ़ गई थी. So he was looking a bit little scary. उनका जो दिख रहे थे, उनका जो looks था एकदम scary जैसे looks हो गया था. And when when Ambika met, so now what was the plan is that Vedvyas will meet Ambika, Vedvyas will meet Ambalika, and then they will have children. So when he meets Ambika, as soon as Ambika sees him, she immediately closes her eyes. एकदम बंद कर देती है उसकी आंखें, because she's very scared with the looks of Vedvyas. And because she closed her eyes when Vedvyas came in front of her, the child which was there in her womb was born blind. And this child was named as Dhritarashtra. Okay. Then after that it was Ambalika's turn. Now Ambalika was told कि वो अच्छे नहीं दिखते हैं. Okay, अच्छे नहीं दिखते मतलब बहुत भयानक दिखते हैं. But he was a very good saint, a very highly saintly person. But she was told that you do not close your eyes. You don't close your eyes. Even if you get scared, don't close your eyes. But when Vedvyas came in front of her, she got so frightened. She got very pale and yellow. उसको मतलब अंदर से उसको बहुत, she was feeling very uncomfortable. And that is why the son that was born, जिसका नेम पांडु था, he was born pale and yellow. Okay. Now एक हुआ अंधा, मतलब who was blind, और दूसरा हुआ pale and yellow. So then Satyavati said, ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा. We want a very strong king. Okay, so then she calls Vedvyas again, and he said that, again you go and meet Ambika. So now Ambika is very scared. Ambalika is also very scared. Then they do one idea. Okay, वो क्या करते हैं, उनकी एक दासी होती है, very trustworthy दासी. Okay, so then they send her dasi to meet Vedvyas. Abhi Vedvyas knows, now Vedvyas is very intelligent. Okay, he has all his mystic powers. He knows that this dasi is that ये लोगों ने ऐसा ट्रिक किया है, दासी को भेजा. सत्यवती को तो पता नहीं था. So then he says that then this dasi, she serves him well, and then a son is born to this dasi, और जिसका नाम है Vidura. Okay, so now can you connect the dots? Video on, please. Videos on. So now can you connect the dots? That Yamaraj has taken birth in the womb of this dasi, who is a Kshudra, and in the womb of and taken birth on earth. Okay, so this Vidura is basically expansion of Yamaraj. Okay, this Vidura is expansion of Yamaraj. Now this Vidura is trained nice. Now everyone, okay.
Miss,
So
you can
Dhritarashtra.
repeat once more.
Yeah, so this Vidura is basically expansion of Yamaraj. यमराज को जो कर्स मिलता है ना कि वो क्षुद्र फैमिली में बर्थ लेगा और बेसिकली अर्थ पे बर्थ लेगा. So that is what now Vidura takes birth in the womb of this dasi, right? Because of the curse that she gets, that Yamaraj gets. Now this boon is disguised, right? Because Mahabharata mein Krishna is there, so Vidura could spend time with Krishna, right? So this becomes like a boon also for Yamaraj. अभी क्या होता है कि now the Bhishma takes very good care of this dasis and Dhritarashtra and Pandavas, Pandu, Dhritarashtra, Pandu and Vidura. उनका बहुत ध्यान रखता है. They make them very skillful in all the military affairs and all. And Dhritarashtra becomes very strong. He becomes very strong warrior. And Pandu is very strong in military skills, and Vidura is very intelligent in archery. Okay, so तीनों को एकदम best education देते हैं, and then he doesn't differentiate कि एक है दासी पुत्र और ये सब, ऐसा differentiate नहीं करते. So Bhishma gives them very good training. Then what happens is, now it is a time to decide who will be the king, right? अभी बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं, so it is a time to decide. Sorry, 1 second, my battery is going off. Just hold on for a minute.
Mataji, we can't hear you.
Yes, Mataji, we
Mataji,
can't hear you. Yes, Mataji, we can't hear you. Mataji, we can't hear you.
Laptop on charge. Mataji has gone to put the laptop on charge.
Mataji, I can't hear you.
I said, na Mataji has gone to put her laptop on charge.
Yeah, sorry.
Mataji.
So, yeah, 1 second.
Mataji.
Yeah. So then what happens is, now the time has come that all these children, Khalunda. Yeah, all these children have grown big now. The time has come to decide who will be the king. So then, so then they now Dhritarashtra is the eldest one. So then they decide, Dhritarashtra should be the king. Because Pandu to chota hai. At this point in time, actually, what happens is that Dhritarashtra is blind, Pandu is weak, and Vidura is the only person who is strong and who is intelligent and who can be the king. But now Vidura cannot be the king because he is Dasi Putra, right? So Vidura cannot be the king. Now the choice is between Dhritarashtra and Pandu. So then that because Dhritarashtra is the eldest son, ठीक है, वो सबसे बड़ा बेटा है, तो ऐसे डिसाइड करते हैं कि धृतराष्ट्र will become the king. But that point in time, Vidura comes and speaks. Okay, now Vidura doesn't, he is not a jealous person. Vidura is very just. उसको पता है वो जब भी सही होगा तो वो सही बोल देगा, वो डरेगा नहीं. He is very courageous to speak the truth. So Vidura comes and he says that a king cannot be blind. If a king has to go on the battlefield, he will not be able to go and guide his army. So king has to be a person who is able to see and who is able to guide people, who is able to guide his army. That is why Pandu can be the king. Okay, so see his boldness, right? So this is what even we have to learn. If something is going wrong, we should be bold enough to say what is the right thing you should do, right? See the boldness of Vidura. So then he told that Vidura should be, Dhritarashtra should be the king. And then eventually Dhritarashtra was made the, Pandu was made the king. Okay, but due to some curse, kuch to, happened, and then Pandu had to get to do an atonement. So he went to the forest. Okay, matlab he ruled as a king for many years. Pandu ruled as a king for many years, but after that, Pandu had to go to the forest. So then Pandu was married. So before going to the forest, Pandu was married to Kunti and Madri, and Dhritarashtra was married to Gandhari. Okay.
Mataji,
Yeah. Story complicated हो रहा है क्या?
Miss Mataji,
Yeah.
I know the 5 children of Pandu.
Yes, very good. Okay, so then very nice, Ayush and Abhay. So now what happens is कि now he is ruling the kingdom. Now Dhritarashtra को ना अंदर से बहुत गुस्सा आता है. Dhritarashtra wants to rule, but because he is blind, he is not able to rule. Okay, so he always has that grudge in his mind कि मुझे राजा बनना था लेकिन मैं नहीं बन पाया. मुझे राजा बनना था, मेरा क्या दोष है इसमें कि मैं अंधा हूँ. मुझे राजा बनना था. उसके अंदर से बहुत आग जल रही थी. Right, but then due to some curse, then Pandu had to leave the kingdom, and Pandu decided that he will go and stay in the forest. Now in the forest, Pandu gives birth to five children. Okay, so first one is Yudhishthir, and at the same time when Kunti gave birth to Yudhishthir, Gandhari was also pregnant. Gandhari is wife of Dhritarashtra. Now they were thinking that if my son comes first, Gandhari was thinking कि अगर मेरा बच्चा पहले आया तो he will become the king. That was their plan. But then when they hear that Yudhishthira had already taken birth, okay, the eldest son of Pandu has already taken birth, she becomes so jealous. She becomes so jealous of Kunti कि अपने पेट पे धाड़ करके मारती है. Okay, unknowingly. See, when the jealousy, you lose your intelligence and you end up doing wrong things, right? When you are angry, when you're jealous, you lose your intelligence. You end up doing wrong things. And the lump of flesh.
Because of network issue, I could not hear what did you say now.
Okay. So Gandhari was pregnant, and when she heard that Yudhishthira had born, the eldest son of Kunti had born, then she hit her stomach जोर से, and then a lump of flesh came out. Now, when the lump of flesh came out, she got very scared. What did I do? What did I do? I killed my child. I killed my child. She was very, very unhappy. She started crying. मैंने क्या कर दिया? ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? She was very upset. And then they called Vedvyas. Now Vedvyas, what does he do? He takes this lump of flesh and he divides the flesh into 100 parts. Listen very carefully. And then he lumps of flesh he puts in different 100 pots. Okay. Now, then he says that do not open this for some time. Okay, वो 100 flesh का 100 embryos बनता है, 100 babies बनता है. And now these babies are in the pots. Now the first pot breaks open. After some 2 years, this first pot breaks open. और उसमें से कौन निकलता है? दुर्योधन निकलता है. And when Duryodhan takes birth, ऐसा jackals का howling and all the inauspicious signs, right? जैकल्स हॉल करते हैं, डोंकी जोर से चिल्लाता है, और and this child also cries like a donkey, the child also cries like a jackal. And then Vidura, listen very carefully.
What's the sign matlab, when the jackals howl and donkeys shout?
Inauspicious. It is not a good sign. Something bad is going to happen.
Okay.
That is the sign.
Okay.
Mataji, what house?
Jackal howling, donkeys crying, jackal crying. Okay, so all this sound started coming, and that time Vidura said, "My dear king, this son is not a, this son is going to bring you bad luck. This son is not good for the, the Kuru dynasty. We should abandon him immediately. अगर हम इसको abandon नहीं करते तो हमारे कुरु डायनेस्टी का नाश हो जाएगा. This is the indication. ये साइंस जो है वो अच्छे नहीं है." लेकिन वो बच्चे को देख के धृतराष्ट्र का मन पिघल जाता है. He says, no, I cannot abandon this child. He is my son. And then he accepts Duryodhan. और उसके बाद सारे 100 pots में से फिर next pot निकलता है, उसमें से दुशासन निकलता है, और ऐसे सारे 100 pots में से 100 बच्चे निकलते हैं. Okay, so this is how Gandhari has 100 sons. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि उसने 100 time birth दिया like our normal. She had 100 sons like this. Okay. So he tells, but you see how outspoken and how intelligent Vidura was. That he said that time only that we should not accept this child. ये अच्छा बच्चा नहीं है. And then what happens is this 100 kids take birth, और वहाँ पे 5 Pandavas they take birth. Now what happens is that in an accident in the forest, Pandu dies. And Madri goes as Sati, in his funeral pyre. So this Pandu, he dies. And now all these children, 5 children, along with Kunti Devi, they are staying in the forest. Okay, with all the Brahmanas and all that, with Rishis, they are staying in the forest. Now they stayed there for many years. Many years they stayed there. And now, Vidura, okay, Vidura says that's, okay, this we discussed. Yeah. Now Vidura tells Dhritarashtra, "Oh king, it is a time that we call Pandavas here. Pandavas are alone in the forest. Pandavas have grown big. It is a time that we call Pandavas here and hand over the kingdom to them, for them to rule." Because remember very carefully that Dhritarashtra was taking care of Hastinapur only as a caretaker, right? The original king was Pandu, and because Pandu was not there, caretaker was Dhritarashtra. Now Pandu's elder son will become the king, so he is a rightful owner to become the king. Barabar? Okay, so he should become the king. So Vidura tells Dhritarashtra, he is not scared. He tells Dhritarashtra that Yudhishthira should be made the king, and you should call Pandavas. Abhi jabi wo to bulata hai na, Bhishma also said no, we should call Pandavas, and they call all the Pandavas, they call Kunti Devi and everyone, they call to Hastinapur. Now when Kunti Devi and they all come, इनको ना अंदर से बहुत जलन होती है. बाहर से तो दिखाते, yes, come my dear child, I am so happy to meet you. कितने दिन से हम मिले नहीं, and we were feeling so bad that you were staying in the forest. ऐसे बाहर दिखाने के लिए तो इतना प्यार ऐसा उभर आ रहा था, लेकिन अंदर से ऐसी आग जल रही थी. क्यों आए? अरे मेरे को अच्छे थे ना वहां पे, यहाँ पे क्यों आए? नहीं आते तो अच्छा होता. ओके, अंदर से पूरा आग जल रहा था धृतराष्ट्र के मन में, दुर्योधन के मन में, और उनको भीम का तो इतना गुस्सा था भीम का, क्योंकि भीम ना was capable enough to kill all the 100 Kauravas. ओके, पूरे 100 Kauravas को भीम एक ही दिन में मार देता. तो उनको ना भीम से तो बहुत ही ज्यादा गुस्सा था. भीम क्या करता पता है? जब ये कौरव झाड़ पे चढ़ते थे ना, they used to climb on the tree to play, भीम नीचे से झाड़ हिलाता था और सारे कौरव नीचे गिर जाते थे. ओके, तो भीम भी ऐसे ट्रिक्स करता था, और इसको बहुत गुस्सा आता, दुर्योधन को तो बहुत गुस्सा आता था भीम का. Now and then Duryodhana was enemy, which was very wicked person, very wicked. And Duryodhana always tried to kill. उसके दिमाग में यही चल रहा था, how can I kill Pandavas? इनको ना मेरे को इनका पत्ता हटाना है, ये बड़े बेकार लोग हैं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. so इनका पत्ता कट कर देना चाहिए. So he was always thinking of that. Once he tried to poison Bhim. Okay, उसने क्या किया, सारे लोग बाहर खेलने गए फॉरेस्ट में और उसके जो खाने में इतना पॉइजन मिलाया कि then eventually he slipped into the river and he actually almost died. But then there was serpent. See, if Krishna has to save you, no one can kill you, right? So then all the serpents, they took away his poison, and he was blessed by them, and he got so much strength. Like equal to 10,000 elephants. Itna strength mila, right? So if Krishna's blessings is there, then who can harm you, right? Itna strong होके आया. और फिर बाद में वापस वो रात को घर पे आ गया, 2-3 कुछ I think हफ्ते भर के बाद, whatever, he came back home and everybody was shocked. भीमा तो कैसे आया? And दुर्योधन तो बिल्कुल चुप, उसकी चिड़े चुप. मैंने तो इसको मारा था, ये जिंदा कैसे है? हाय हाय, ये क्या आदमी है कि कौन है? Right? He was thinking like that. And so everything outside was hunky dory. Okay, everything seemed very happy. लेकिन अंदर से ऐसे गुस्सा उबल रहा था. Right? And then based on advice of Vidura, Yudhishthir was made the king. Okay. So युधिष्ठिर को राजा तो बना दिया, लेकिन क्या हो गया, क्योंकि दुर्योधन के दिमाग में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ तो चलता था कि इसको कैसे मारे. दुर्योधन डिड अ प्लान. लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. उसने क्या प्लान किया कि इनको वर्णावत भेज के. नाउ दिस प्लान वाज on approval of Dhritarashtra. Okay, just see how wicked Duryodhan was and how weak Dhritarashtra was. उसको अपने बेटे पे इतना प्यार था that he was ready to do anything for the to become the king. तो उसने क्या किया कि Duryodhan said that we will build a nice palace for them in Varnavrat. और वो वहां पे ना जो पैलेस जो बनाएंगे ना, उसके वॉल्स पूरा घी का और पूरा ऐसे मटेरियल का बनाएंगे जो फटाक से जल जाएगा. वैक्स. या सो वो फटाक से जल जाएगा. लाख, इट वाज कॉल्ड एज लाख. एंड देन बाहर से तो कुछ भी पता नहीं चलेगा. इट शुड बी लुक लाइक सो नाइस एंड ऑप्युलेंट एंड ऑल. और अंदर से पूरा घी ये वो डाल के एकदम ऐसा बनाएंगे ना that it will burn off immediately. And with Dhritarashtra's approval, Duryodhan made this plan and he built a nice, palace there in Varnavrat. And Vidura was very intelligent. Okay, listen very carefully. Vidura was very intelligent, very sharp, and he always had his eyes open. कि क्या चल रहा है करके. So he had his spies, and then he realized, oh, तो ये प्लान है दुर्योधन का कि सारे पांडवास को और कुंती महारानी को मार देंगे. लेकिन मैं ऐसे नहीं होने दूंगा. Right? So now it is very difficult for Vidura to tell to Pandavas की सामने, क्योंकि सभी लोग हैं. Right? Bhishma is there, Dhritarashtra is there, everyone is there. So difficult to tell in front of everyone. So Vidura tells in a coded language. Okay, Vidura tells in a coded language. What does he tell? He understand this, huh? This is like a क्या कहते हैं उसको, आपको puzzle नहीं, what to say? Sorry, he tells in a coded language. Now you have to break the code. Riddle type. Yes, absolutely. So what does he tell? What does he tell? That one who knows that there are ways to kill without piercing anyone. That person will, yes, he had to decode it. So what does Vidura say? That one who knows that there are ways to kill without piercing anyone will always be protected. Then he says that one who knows that forest fire which burns the forest but does not burn the snakes which are underground, they are always protected. One who knows to control his senses and acts calmly and intelligently, such person will eventually be prosperous. ऐसा वो कहता है. अभी किसी को कुछ नहीं समझता. ओके, नो वन अंडरस्टैंड्स एनीथिंग. अभी कुंती को भी कुछ समझता नहीं, लेकिन युधिष्ठिर को समझता है. कि युधिष्ठिर इज इंटेलिजेंट इनफ टू अंडरस्टैंड. देन कुंती महारानी युधिष्ठिर को पूछती है कि क्या बोला उन्होंने, मुझे तो कुछ समझा नहीं. फिर बाद में अंदर जाने के बाद युधिष्ठिर टेल्स कुंती महारानी that वर्णाव्रता है जो है वो that is basically is planned to kill us and they are going to burn the palace and we have to escape. So underground जो बोला ना that snakes are underground, they are always protected. We have to build a tunnel to escape. See, Vidura was so sharp. He was always protecting Pandavas. Now, why he was protecting Pandavas? Understand this very carefully. Why he was protecting Pandavas? Because Pandavas were always truthful. Even when Bhima was poisoned, Bhima did not come and complain to Bhishma कि देखो दुर्योधन ने मुझे ऐसे किया. Right? They were very सहनशील. Right? They were very they did not they knew कि ये मेरे भाई लोग हैं और मुझे we do not want to unnecessarily fight with them. So he never complained. Right? Here also, sorry.
Patient and tolerant.
Yes, very tolerant. So very nice. I'm so happy that you are all telling me the words. Very good. So they were very tolerant. And so what does Vidura do? He doesn't tell Bhishma also कि इनका ये plan है. So Vidura arranges to bring a long tunnel, okay, below in that palace. And when they go and stay there, after a few days, they only burn it. They escape through the tunnel, and there at the end of the tunnel, there is a boatman sitting there. That was also plan of Vidura, okay? So the tunnel which is built, this Vidura only sends this person to build the tunnel, and he tells some coded
Mataji,
words.
in the picture, who are those small children?
I don't know. There are children. I don't see. I am seeing five Pandavas. Five Pandavas and Kunti Maharani.
No, Mataji. When Mataji, I think that is Yudhishthir. I don't know. He is holding two children, like two small children.
Okay, so whatever it is, the idea is that there are five Pandavas and Kunti Maharani. Okay, so maybe Nakul Sahadeva might be there. Okay. Okay, so then what happens is, where was I? So then this tunnel also is built based on the Vidura only sends someone to build a tunnel. They use some coded words, and then at the end of the end of the tunnel there is a boatman waiting. He also tells us coded words. Then he says, "ये Vidura का ही आदमी है." So then they they run away. Then they escape from this, and then everyone is thinking, अरे पांडवास have got burned, Pandavas have got burned. धृतराष्ट्र तो अंदर से तो इतने खुश थे, वाह वाह वाह, पांडवास अभी burn हो गए, they've all died, and now we are going to enjoy the kingdom. लेकिन बाहर से ऐसे दिखा रहे थे, अरे ये क्या हो गया, how come they got burned, I'm so sad, okay, और अंदर से लड्डू फूट रहे हैं. Now this Pandavas, then they go and stay in the forest for a few months, and then he comes across Draupadi Swayamvar, and then Arjuna wins Draupadi. Now Draupadi is the daughter of King Drupad, and that time they realize, oh, acha, these are the Pandavas who have got saved in that in that entire Kand that happened. And then now Drupad is the king who is on the side of Pandavas, because Drupad's daughter is given to Arjuna. Now then Vidura says that we should again call back. And now that the Pandavas are saved, they are very, very happy. We should call back Pandavas to Hastinapur. Okay. Now Dhritarashtra is so unhappy that the Pandavas have come back. They're very upset. So then what happens is, Dhritarashtra, Vidura says that we should give them the kingdom back to Pandavas. Now they are safe, they are there, we should give them kingdom back. But Dhritarashtra, what does he do? No, he is he is so attached to his son कि वो कुछ भी गलत काम करने के लिए रेडी है. तो उसने क्या किया, अपने किंगडम दो इसमें डिवाइड किए. हस्तिनापुर जो है, हस्तिनापुर दे दिया दुर्योधन को, और गंदा सा खांडप्रस्थ. ओके, खांडप्रस्थ मतलब बिल्कुल एकदम ऐसा फॉरेस्ट वाला एरिया जहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं रहता, पूरा abundant land, एकदम मतलब कोई no one would accept that, ऐसा दे दिया पांडवास.
It was made into Indraprasth.
Yes, And then Pandava said, okay, whatever you give me, we will take. And they went. So then Krishna, now see how Krishna is always on the side of Pandavas. Why? Because they're very truthful, they're virtuous, right? So Krishna, then he calls for Indra and he requests Indra to build a nice palace for Pandavas, and that palace is called Indraprastha, right? So this barren land was converted into Indraprastha, and then many people started coming there. Brahmanas started coming there. See, all the pious people started coming there. City became very populated. Okay, सारे लोग आने रहने लगे. So it became a very nice place to stay. And then they invited Kauravas to come to their place. And when Duryodhan came, Duryodhan was so angry, looking at all this. ये क्या है? हमेशा मेरे साथ ही क्यों ऐसे होता है कि उनका पांडवास को हमेशा अच्छा ये मिलता है और मैं ही हमेशा ये रहता हूँ ऐसा. He gets very angry, very upset. Okay. Then again Duryodhan plans something. Then Karna says that we should fight and win Indraprastha. ये फिर शकुनी मामा कहते हैं, हे भैया, फाइट उसके साथ किया जाता है जिसको हमको कॉन्फिडेंस हो कि वी विल विन. पांडवा से हम लोग फाइट में जीतने वाले हैं नहीं. आई विल टेल यू, ये मेरा द्रुत है. वी विल फाइट अ डाइस मैच. द्रुत कीड़ा करेंगे हम लोग. लेकिन दुर्योधन, तेरे को अपने पिताजी से परमिशन लेना पड़ेगा और पांडवास को मना के लाना पड़ेगा. सो दुर्योधन कहता है यही है ना, डोंट वरी, आई विल मैनेज दैट. दुर्योधन गोज टू धृतराष्ट्र. He says, Father, there is only one way we can win Indraprastha and we can win this kingdom. We cannot fight, but we can win a dice match. Now, dice match मतलब एक gambling है, and gambling is not approved. Okay? तो हम जो भी gambling खेलते हैं, हम लोग ताश खेलते हैं पैसे लगा के, हम लोग कैसीनो में जाते हैं पैसे लगा के. This is all gambling, and that is not approved by
dice, but we can play cards, but not with gambling.
Without money, without money.
Or without anything other than money, without putting anything for stake.
Yes, absolutely. It should be normal play, and that we play and you forget. Because whenever money comes in, it is not at all approved by dharma. Okay. So Dhritarashtra says, no, I cannot do this. It is not religious. ये तो गलत है. Duryodhan says, देखिए पिताजी, यही है way in which we can win them. Otherwise, forget it. So Dhritarashtra approves. अभी बुलाए कैसे पांडवास को? Then they think Vidura. Yes, Vidura is the only person who can convince Pandavas to come. So then he calls Vidura. Vidura says, no, Baba, I am not going to do this. My dear king, you should strongly oppose this. You should not allow this match to happen. You know this is not religious. ये सब गलत है. This is against the religion. This is against the dharma. This is adharmic. Dhritarashtra says, I'm telling you, go and invite them. Vidura goes to Pandavas. He tells Pandavas. Pandavas discusses among themselves. They know that this is not right. But just because their uncle has called, they go. And in the dice match, you know what happened? Yudhishthir loses everything. Okay, Yudhishthir loses everything. He loses all he loses his kingdom. Right? वो अपने मैच में खुद सारे भाइयों को हार जाता है, खुद को हार जाता है. And then he loses Draupadi also. And at every stage, Vidura is stopping. Oh, my dear king, what are you doing? This is not right. Please stop this. Please stop this. Now Vidura is the only person in the entire assembly. Okay, all the big people are sitting in the assembly, right? But in the entire assembly, Vidura is the only person who has the courage to say, no, stop this. But no one listened, no one spoke, and Dhritarashtra supported everything.
Mataji,
now when the time came, yes.
Mataji, so over here, when the first thing only happened, like the first thing which Yudhishthir lost, over that time only he could have said that that I quit.
Yeah, he should have said, but what he thought, कि now this is the last chance. अगर मैं द्रौपदी को दाव पे लगाता हूँ, तो maybe I have a chance to win. Maybe the providence will work in my favor and I might win. So every time when he was, he was putting someone at stake, he was thinking, maybe this time I will win. Maybe this time I will win. Maybe this time luck will favor me. Right? But he did not consult Krishna. If Krishna would have been there, Krishna would have stopped. But they were praying that Krishna should not come. And that is why Krishna did not come that point in time. Krishna did not intervene. When you call Krishna, Krishna comes. So when Draupadi fully surrendered to Krishna, Krishna, now you are the one who will save me. Please save me. That time Krishna came. That time Krishna came to save Draupadi. Right? And
Mataji,
they were trying to disrobe her, and Krishna was providing unlimited cloth to Draupadi. Then Vidura said, my dear king, at least now you stop. Abhi, are you still not satisfied? Krishna is helping. Draupadi, see her cloth, she is getting unlimited cloth. At least now you stop. That time Dhritarashtra said, please stop the match. Then Vidura said, see the courage of Vidura. That time Vidura said, my dear king, you should return everything that Pandavas has lost. This is all irreligious match. Ye adharmik hai. Then that point in time, Dhritarashtra agreed and gave everything back to Pandavas. But Duryodhan was not happy. Duryodhan again called for another dice match. और उसने क्या बोला था कि in this match, if anyone loses, that person will have to go to 12 years in the forest and 1 year of Ajnatwas. That means they will not be.
excuse me, Mataji.
Yeah.
Mataji, Mataji, actually, I have heard that when once Krishna was killing a demon, and then that time he got blood while getting back the Sudarshan Chakra on his finger. So Draupadi took a part of her cloth and wrapped it on Krishna's finger. That is why Krishna returned the favor by giving her unlimited cloth.
So that could be one thing, but the idea is that, when Draupadi, understand one thing, when Draupadi was also getting disrobed, Draupadi first, she tried herself. She thought that I will be able to control. So she tried herself. She spoke with everyone. She pleaded to Bhishma. She pleaded to Dhritarashtra. She tried herself. When she realized that now things are not in my control, then she surrendered. कि अभी मुझसे नहीं होता Krishna, now you help me. I cannot handle this. You have to help me now. When she fully surrendered with all her hands up, that Krishna, now you decide what will happen to me. That time Krishna came. Yeah.
Mataji, what was the name of the demon who actually the demon who was like the demon
we will
who...
discuss. We'll discuss that later. We'll not digress now.
Yes, Mataji, but
Shishupal.
the demon actually was like he had like. Krishna
We will
will
not
kill him
digress now. We will
after-
not digress now. Nityansh, lot of
Nityansh,
story to cover.
It was Krishna's cousin, Shishupal.
We will not digress now. We will not digress now. Long story to cover. Wait, hold on. So still 15-20 minutes are there. I need to cover many things. So then that time, so I get distracted. Yeah. So that time, when Draupadi, that time Vidura said that, give back their kingdom, and then kingdom was given back to them. Duryodhan was still not happy. Duryodhan again called for a match, right? Like I said, then the result of the match will, whoever loses will go for 12 years of, will stay in the forest and 1 year Ajnatwas. That time again Pandavas lose. Pandavas knew that they are going to lose.
Mataji,
But
what
still
is
they,
Ajnatwas?
Ajnatwas, if anyone in that 1 year identifies them, they will have to go another 12 years in the forest. So they will have to stay in a disguised form. We will cover that story next time if you want. They'll have to stay disguised form. So Arjuna became a eunuch. Bhima became a क्या कहते हैं उसको, रसोइया, cook. So that way, so everyone disguised themselves.
What is eunuch, Mataji?
He is not a man, not a woman. We see on signal, no?
It's a dance teacher. So he became a dance teacher.
Yeah, he became a dance teacher. Okay, so we will cover that story later. Okay, so then, so 1 second. So then Pandavas lost, and then that time Vidura lost it. He said, he said, "Oh king, the success of the kingdom depends upon truthfulness. You are not truthful to the Pandavas. You are behaving very wickedly with the Pandavas. You should cherish Pandavas like your sons. You have destroyed the virtue by allowing a gambling match. If you want to be happy, and if you do not want the Kuru dynasty to be destroyed, then you should return everything to Pandavas. And he said that, my dear king, I had told you to abandon this child because the child will only bring you unhappiness, but you did not listen to me. Right? He said that you did not listen to me. And so then hearing all this, कि इसको भी abandon करना चाहिए, Dhritarashtra got very angry. He said, I do not need your advice. If you want, you can leave the kingdom. Then Vidura said, sorry, I don't want to stay here like this. I will leave the kingdom. And then Vidura left. Vidura, see the courage that Vidura had. He was not scared to say that, this child is going to bring you bad luck. He will not he will not be, help you lead a happy life, right? So then Vidura goes to the forest where Pandavas were staying, and then Sanjaya comes, and then Sanjaya says that, king has apologized, is very sorry, he cannot live without you, he always needs your advice. So then Vidura says, maybe there is a last chance that I can help Pandavas. I can help Dhritarashtra to, realize what mistake he's done. And then again, Vidura comes back to the kingdom. Now, after 12 years, after Ajnatwas, war is decided between Kauravas and Pandavas. But Krishna says, let me try, at least once let me try that this war get avoided. So Krishna goes with a peace proposal to Kauravas. Right? He goes and meets Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra welcomes him very well. Yes, my dear, please come and stay with us. Today you can, now that you've come, you can stay in Dushasana's palace. It is a very nice, opulent palace. You can stay there. And Krishna said, no, thank you. I will stay with Vidura. Now Vidura's house was very simple. Ekdam bilkul no sadha sa house tha. But Krishna said, where there is love, I will stay there. So Krishna stays in Vidura's house. When Krishna goes there, he meets Kunti. And when Krishna goes there, Vidura is not there at home. And Krishna's wife is there Vidura's wife is there at home. And Vidura's wife is so happy to see Krishna. She bought some bananas to eat. Okay. And then she was peeling the bananas. She was throwing the bananas and giving peels to Krishna. And she was so much lost in love. And Krishna was eating peels and she was throwing the bananas. And then after that, sometime Krishna left. And then Vidura came home. Vidura's wife told, what were you? Did you receive Krishna nicely? She said, yeah, he ate so many bananas. Then he's looking, these are the bananas. He ate peels. Oh, that is what Vidura's wife said. See, now Krishna accepts whatever is given with love and affection, right? Then Krishna meets Vidura. Vidura tells Krishna, please don't go and talk with Duryodhan. He is a very wicked person. Duryodhan had a plan to arrest Krishna. Just imagine, Duryodhan had a plan to arrest Krishna. So when he met him in the palace next day as a messenger of Yudhishthir, he said
only
that
Krishna can arrest himself.
Exactly. So when he went next day to meet Dhritarashtra, and he told that, you give him 5 villages, Pandavas will be happy. Duryodhan said, I will not give even a tip. मतलब जो सुई के tip of a needle पे जितना land fit होगा ना. Yes, that also I will not give, he said. So then Krishna said, Duryodhan said, arrest Krishna. And Krishna, he showed his, so he became so effulgent, itna brightness aaya uske body mein se. Okay, so he showed Vishwaroop to Bhishma, to Drona, to Vidura. और ये दुर्योधन और वगैरह, उनको तो इतना brightness था, वो कुछ भी नहीं देख पाए. And then after showing Vishwaroop, Krishna came back to his normal, position. And then he smiled and he left away. Vidura told Dhritarashtra, I am telling you, you should arrest this son. You should arrest Duryodhan, and you should tell Dushasan to ask for apology from Draupadi in the entire assembly. Then only you will be saved. Otherwise, your fate is sealed. You will be defeated. Your entire Kauravas will be killed. You have disrespected Krishna. You have made an attempt to arrest Krishna. I am telling you, you abandon the son. You इसको दुर्योधन को जेल में डाल दो, और आपके सारे दुशासन सबको, सारे कौरवों को जेल में डाल दो, और उनको द्रौपदी से माफी मांगने लगाओ, भीमा से माफी मांगने लगाओ. Duryodhan became so angry, so angry. Duryodhan said, we should throw this Vidura out of our palace. We should take everything from him and just leave him with his breath. Vidura got so angry, so angry. He said, what are you telling? I am only going. Vidura was waiting for this moment. Why was Vidura waiting for this moment? Because he did not want to participate in this war. He did not want to fight on the side of Dhritarashtra, because he knew Dhritarashtra was adharmic. He knew Duryodhan was adharmic. Vidura did not want to be on their side. Vidura left his bow and arrow on the side of the wall of the palace, and he walked out. Right? So then Yudhira walked out. He walked and he walked. He walked and he walked. He went to many religious places. Okay. Now Vidura had a chance to go to Dwarka and meet Krishna, but Vidura did not go to Dwarka. You will ask, Vidura should have gone there. Why did Vidura not go? Vidura did not go because Vidura thought कि मैं इतना contaminate हो गया हूँ, मैं इतना अशुद्ध हो गया हूँ इन सब के साथ रह के, that I am not eligible to go and meet Krishna. That is why he did not went to meet Krishna. He went to many religious places. Then he came after 12 years. He came to, he met Uddhava. Okay, after 12 years he met Uddhava. That time Mahabharata war ho gaya tha, and Yudhishthir was, running the show. He met Uddhava. Then he asked Uddhava, aap to the last time tak jab tak Krishna yahan pe the. Uddhava told him that Yadu dynasty has gone now. Krishna has gone. He has completed his pastime. Krishna has gone now. He said, please tell me more about Krishna. Then Uddhava said that last time when Krishna told me to to go to which forest was it? Some Badrika forest. When he told me to go Badrika forest, he was remembering you. He was how is my Vidura? So that time Vidura felt so nice, so nice. He felt so nice that Krishna remembered me before leaving. Tears came out of his eyes. And then Uddhava said, Vidura said, please give me knowledge. Uddhava said, I am younger to you. I cannot give you knowledge. You can please take knowledge from Maitreya Rishi. He goes to Maitreya Rishi. Maitreya Rishi tells him many topics like creation of universe, birth of Brahma, Kapil Muni, many topics they discuss. After spending time with Maitreya Rishi, now Vidura comes to Hastinapur. Listen very carefully. Vidura comes to Hastinapur. When he comes to Hastinapur, he meets first whom he meets? He meets Yudhishthir. And when he meets Yudhishthir, all the, Draupadi and Uttara and everyone, the Pandavas, they all come and meet him. They feel so nice, हमारे uncle आ गए कि बहुत सालों के बाद, they were they had so much love and affection for Vidura that they feel very nice. They all cried that, they missed them for so many years. And then after that, Vidura meets Dhritarashtra. And he meets Dhritarashtra saying, what are you doing here? अभी तक आपको समझाना है कि you should leave the kingdom and you should go to the forest, and now at least you should lead a perfect life. अभी तक आपका इच्छा आकांक्षा पूरा खत्म नहीं हुआ. Then he says, then अभी भी आप भीमा के युधिष्ठिर के टुकड़ों पे आप पल रहे हो. This is the words he uses. Listen very carefully. And he doesn't use such words, but he used such words because he wanted these words to hit Dhritarashtra's heart, and these words pierced Dhritarashtra's heart. And then Dhritarashtra decided that now he will leave the kingdom and he will go to the forest. Then Dhritarashtra, Gandhari, they leave the forest. They leave palace and then go to the forest. They do a lot of austerities, and then fire comes out of his body of Dhritarashtra, and Dhritarashtra leaves his body in that fire. Gandhari also leaves his body in the fire with spiritual consciousness. Okay. to lead a perfect life. After that, Vidura, then he leaves that place. Vidura sees that Dhritarashtra has left his body. Then Vidura, he does a lot of austerity. Under a tree, he does a lot of meditation. And then he also leaves his body with spiritual consciousness. This is the story of from beginning to end of Vidura. Such an intelligent person, right? Yeah, such an intelligent person was Vidura, never afraid to speak the truth, right? So you should always speak the truth. And when you speak the truth, when you're on the side of truthful people, Krishna will always be there with you. Okay. So any questions? Now tell me whether you have any questions.
No, Mataji, we did
No,
not have any
Mataji.
questions.
No,
Okay.
Mataji, we
So
don't have.
now I will
Mataji.
launch a poll for all of you. Very simple one, but little difficult also. You have to read very carefully. Your questions are here. All the best to all of you. Come on. Read very carefully and answer the questions. There are 5 questions. If you want me to help you reading the question, I can help you.
Yes.
Mataji has submitted it.
Submitted, very good. Just wait for
Mataji,
2
even I
minutes.
submitted.
Very good. Come on, come on. Very easy ones.
Mataji, can you read the first one for me?
Yeah, who cursed Yamraj that he would be born as a maid's son for getting him? What did I write?
Mataji has submitted. Can I leave?
Yeah.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Bye, Mataji.
Yeah, bye.
Bye,
Others,
Mataji.
please
Hare
wait.
Krishna.
Others, please wait. Others, please wait. We have to see whether your answers are right. Others, please wait.
Bye,
So who-
Mataji.
Wait, Swara. So who cursed Yamraj that he will become a maid servant, maid son?
Mataji, I did not say bye.
Yes, you don't have to answer. Chalo, come on, 56% done. Come on. 60% done, 63% done. Come on,
Mataji, can
55.
you post the answer?
Yes, just give me 1 minute. I'm posting the answer. Just give me 1 minute. I'm posting the answer.
Mataji, I have submitted.
Okay, very good. 75% done. I'm just waiting for a few to complete it. 80% done. Come on, few left. 3-4 of them you are left. Come on. 83% done. I will just wait for two more and then I will end the poll. Very good. Come on. Few left. Okay. So I will end the poll now. Anyone, do you want me to wait to end the poll?
No, Mataji.
Okay. I will end the poll in. I will count up to 1. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I end the poll. Okay, so now let us see the results. So first question, answer of first question is Mandavya Rishi. He is the one who cursed Yamraj that he would be born as a maid's son. Second question, whoever has selected Mandavya Rishi gets 10 points. What is the position of Yamraj as explained in Srimad Bhagavatam? Answer is all of the above. He is the greatest devotee of Krishna. He is among 12 Mahajanas. is Dharmaraj. So answer is all of the above. Then whoever has selected all of the above gets 10 marks. What is the speciality of 12 Mahajanas? The speciality is answer is all of the above. They are the greatest devotee of Lord. They know
Mataji,
Krishna
I
is
have
the supreme
gotten all
person.
correct.
Very nice. They are knowers of Bhagavad Gita. They are knowers of Bhagavad Dharma.
got 3 correct.
Acha, 1 second, 2 are still left. Are demigods permanently situated in the post that they are holding? Answer is no. They will be.
I get only one wrong of them.
Okay, so demigods are not permanently holding. They will change. Vidura was born as a Kshudra. Then how could he occupy the post of a preacher? Because he was thoroughly educated. The answer is all of the above. Anyone who knows the science of Godhead is a Brahma, or whether he is a Brahman or a Shudra, he is eligible to become a spiritual master. So answer is all of the above. So whoever has got all correct get 50 points.
Mataji, I got all correct.
Very nice, very nice, very good. So here we will end our class, and I want you to learn 2 shlokas. Acha, hold on. Okay, see, 23rd to 30th of August, we are going to have a Krishna fest. We are going to have festival. So the classes will be every day 6 to 6:45 p.m. We are going to have Janmashtami celebrations. Okay, every day. So Monday to Saturday, Sunday. Every day we are going to have the 23rd of August till 30th of August.
I can't do everything. What's the timing? Because I have classes.
Okay, and there is going to be a talent show. You can decide if you want to participate in the talent show. Okay, if you want to participate.
I am not there.
So if you want to participate, you can either sing, you can dance, you can play a piano.
Mataji, I'm going out on 27.
Okay, so the talent show, I will let you know the date. Okay.
Mataji, can you tell the timings because my classes are there?
6 to 6:45. Every day 6 to 6:45.
Every day I can only do something. I can join Mataji.
Okay, good. Yeah, Tanisha, you were saying something. 1 second. Tanisha was saying something.
In talent show, can we also draw?
Yes, you can draw. Why not? But everything
Mataji,
relating to Krishna, huh? Everything relating to Krishna. So Kirtan you can do relating to Krishna. You can say shlokas. You can sing.
Okay, Mataji.
Again, Krishna bhajan. You can dance. But everything, whatever you are going to do has to be in relation to Krishna. 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes for everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, Mataji. Have a nice day. Thank you, Mataji.
Bye, Mataji.
Bye,
Yeah.
Mataji. Have a nice day.
Bye, Mataji. Hare
Okay, so you all understood about the talent show now. I will post the
Bye,
details
Mataji.
on the group. Okay, so look at the details.
Yes,
And then,
Mataji.
and then decide if you want to participate in the talent show.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji, till
Yeah.
what date we have this program?
We have from 23rd of August till 30th of August, till 29th of August, because 30th of August is Janmashtami.
Mataji. Okay, Mataji.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah.
Please
Yeah.
add me in the group.
Acha, you have given me your number.
No.
Okay, give me your
My
number.
father's number.
Okay, you give me your
8
number. 1 second.
855.
1 second. 1 second. I have to add. Yeah, tell me your name, Ayush and
Abhay.
Abhay. Okay. Ayush and Abhay. Yes, your number
855
855
495
495
8940.
8940. Acha, what is your age?
Age 11 years.
11 years. Okay. Okay. I will add you to this group. Okay, beta?
Mataji or
Yeah.
Abhay is 10 years old.
Acha, theek hai. Because we have 2 classes, no, one up to 10 years and one about 10 years. So if you wish, you can attend both the classes. That is on Saturday 4 to 5.
Yes.
I will add you to
Yes.
both the groups so that you can
Yes.
attend both the classes. Okay? Okay,
Yes,
good.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Bye,
You can also,
Mataji.
yeah, Janvi.
Mataji,
Aditi.
can you share the details of the that festival?
Yeah. Yes. The poster is getting created. I have shared all the details, but poster creation is on, so that is why I couldn't share. But I will share the details.
Okay. Bye, Mataji. Hare
Okay.
Krishna.
Chalo. Bye. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandavat
Bye.
Pranam.
Hare Krishna. Dandavat Pranam Dishita.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Shubham. Hare Krishna Shreya. Bye.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Aditi. Aditi, you can also perform a dance if you wish.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, something on Krishna, huh?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, bye. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Or you can act also. Huh? If you want to act, you can act also.
Okay, Mataji.
Jyoti Ramdas, yesterday also you were there, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. You are part of the group? I think I
Yeah,
added. I think I have
you have
noted your
added
number. I have
Yeah.
added. Okay. ठीक है. What is his name? His name is Rudra, no?
Yeah, Rudra.
Ah, Rudra. Okay. Good. Hare Krishna, Rudra.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Bye.
Mataji.
Hare- Hi, Yuvan, you are part of the group?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No or yes?
Yes, ma'am.
You are there? Acha. Okay. Because I do not remember you seeing you.
Ma'am, he is. This is his first time actually.
Acha, first time he joined, is it? Acha. So what is his
So,
age?
He just completed 7. Okay,
Acha.
but Saturday, his one of his classes is getting clashed with this.
Ah, okay.
He has attended today.
Acha. So if this suits him, then let him attend this one.
It's a bit faster for him, but still.
I
I'm
can
there.
imagine, I can understand, because this is all 11, 10 years and above, no?
Yes.
Ah.
I will make him understand. I was also through the story, so I was there. I will
Acha. Okay. We have our Dakshita. Dakshita is 6 years old. So Dakshita attends both the classes. Dakshita, you are there? Dakshita has just disappeared. Till now she was there. So Dakshita, since she is coming since I think she was 3 or 4 years of her age, and she was attending both the, and actually now recently we divided the classes because small kids were not able to understand. But Dakshita, I mean, Yuvan can see if he can understand here, and maybe later on if he doesn't understand, I can also explain him. You can also explain him.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And today's story was actually too long a story. So in past I had to cover many things because from birth till death, many events happened. So I had to cover many things. So today it was a little very fast. Yeah.
5 years old.
Okay then. Thank you everyone.
Thank you,
Mataji.
Stay happy. Stay blessed.
Mataji,
Yeah. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. This story, Glories of this Vidura,
Yeah.
which chapter you find?
Oh, it is across the